Hey, it's Ken here with UAV Coach. Welcome back to the third video in the Can I Fly My Drone series. This week, we're going to answer, can I fly my drone in Las Vegas? So let's get rolling. You're planning your trip to Las Vegas and you're thinking about how cool it would be to get drone photos and video of the Las Vegas Strip and maybe even the new Sphere. But you start to wonder, can I fly my drone in Las Vegas? I'm glad you asked. So let's take a look at what that might involve. First, as all good drone pilots do, you check the airspace for the area that you think you want to fly. And when you look at the airspace over the Las Vegas Strip, it probably will scare you the first time you see it. The Las Vegas Strip has several things that you need to be aware of. The Strip is very close to Harry Reid International Airport, which is Class B controlled airspace. And the Las Vegas Grand Prix and Allegiant Stadium are less than 3 miles away. And the whole area around the Strip is in a zero grid on the UAS facility map. So you should probably just close the Airspace app and think about how much you're going to spend at the craps table, right? Not necessarily. If you proceed to the LAANC approval process in the app, you'll see that automated approval is not available, but the request is eligible for further coordination. The approval process targets less than 90 days to approve, but it could take up to 90 days, and your request could still be denied. Or the request can expire without resolution. You also need to be aware of any sporting events that are going on in the area. If the Las Vegas Raiders are playing at Allegiant Stadium, or the Grand Prix race is running, you can't fly your drone within 3 miles of those events. And that's per NOTAM FDC 0/0367. Keep in mind that even though you do get approval through LAANC, doesn't mean you can forego the restrictions of the NOTAM. In other words, it's possible to get LAANC approval, but still be restricted because of the NOTAM's restrictions. Next, let's say you are able to get LAANC approval and there are no sporting events in the area. You still have to think about all the other things that are part of FAA Part 107, or if you're able to be eligible for recreational flight only, USC 44809, all those restrictions apply as well. Things like visual line of sight, or operations near aircraft, or operations over people, because near the Las Vegas Strip, there are always a lot of helicopters flying in the area very low, and there's always people in that area. This can be challenging, but not impossible to follow all the regulations. Let's take this one step further. Let's say you are able to get all the approvals and you're able to follow all of the regulations. Does that mean you're good to go? Not quite. You may need to apply for a film permit, and Las Vegas Ordinance 13.58.020 prohibits any aircraft or drone to be launched from or land upon a public street, highway, or other public right-of-way, or any parking lot which is provided for the use of the public. Remember, these are local laws, not FAA regulations. So can you fly your drone in Las Vegas? Yes, you can, as long as you obtain FAA approval through the LAANC further coordination process and you follow all other parts of Part 107 if you're flying commercially. If you're able to qualify as a recreational flight under USC 44809, then you also have to follow those regulations. Pro tip, to fly your drone in Las Vegas, plan ahead. Start your LAANC approval process early and go to the city's.gov official website and look up the ordinances that may apply to you. This will help you avoid any confrontation with local law enforcement. Let us know in the comments section if you have a Can I Fly My Drone question that we can address in a future video. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to the UAV Coach channel for more exciting topics to come. Thanks for watching, and from all of us here at UAV Coach, we wish you blue skies and safe flying, and we'll see you next time.